Hello friends and welcome to another unbox. We have yet another product from THONET and VANDER. This time it is a Bluetooth speaker. Let's open it up. Very cool looking box, and the Bluetooth, it has a really nice quality. So here are the buttons that you can power it on, connect to the Bluetooth, or increase the volume or change the melody. These are for volume and this is for changing the songs. This button here is for power it on and connect your telephone via Bluetooth. And I'm not sure what this one is. It's M. Let's power it on though. Interesting. Very nice build quality. Deutsche Technologie, if I spell it right in German. Okay, so here it has the DC in and the line in. So open it like this and connect to the micro USB, and probably this one, it is a headphone jack that you can connect it to either your phone or laptop or desktop as well. So here it says it has a button for reset. Can I take this one off? No, I can't. So not sure why do we need a reset button, but hey, if it is there, why not? Very nice. And this side, this has nothing. It has a rubber feeling over here. Very nice touching. And also this is a rubber. Interesting. It is not slippery this way. So let's see what else do we have inside the box. This is operation manual. Ah, they say thank you. Very nice. THONET VANDER. German company. Never heard of it until now. But they have really nice quality products. Okay, so this is the micro USB for powering on your Bluetooth. So let's see what is in the instruction manual. So now we can see what M represents. So here it is number 2. Input this in reset. Let's see number 2 what it means. Doppel click. Oh, it has several mods. Interesting. It's written only in German. No, wait. It's in English. Double click TWS mode. The speaker will search the other speaker. Ooh, Really? So if you press M, it will search another speaker. Maybe from the same company or other company. Ah, okay. So if you see these photos over here, they can connect to other Bluetooth speakers. Automatic. This Bluetooth speaker will connect with other Bluetooth speakers. That's very interesting. Very nice. How to connect two frying chain with TWS mode. Cool. All right. THONET and VANDER. THONET. Not sure how to spell it in German. THONET and VANDER or THONET. THONET and VANDER. Und VANDER. Und VANDER. Not sure. If you know how to spell it, please let me know down in the comments. Okay, so let's try it on. Let's put some music over here. But first, oh, I observe right now it also has a small microphone. So probably you can speak at your phone with the hands-free. So let's search the Bluetooth over here. T and V fry chain. I think this is the one. Let's connect it. Okay, cool. Very nice. So let's put the music again. Powered on. Okay. So the speakers are in the front over here. I presume that there are also one speaker in the back, but probably not. The sound quality is really incredible actually. It has low and high frequency sound. Let me check actually. Let me turn it, make it a little bit lower. So does it says how many decibel it has? Cannot find it. Oh, okay, so it has 16 watts RMS. The Bluetooth can be connected up to 10 meters. This TWS connection technology, you can connect this Bluetooth speaker with other Bluetooth speakers and the speaker phone function. 8-hour battery life. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so this is how you connect the other Bluetooth.
jump on the rhythm, jump on the rhythm with the criminal. Jump on the rhythm, jump on the rhythm, smooth out, jump on the phenomenal. Jump on the rhythm, jump on the rhythm, baby, you're the animal. Jump on the rhythm with the criminal.
Alright, I will make later a review and comparison between this speaker and other speakers as well. And of course compare the sound quality between them. Thank you for watching. I wish you enjoyed this video like I did. And please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends if you like it. And I wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.